Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete scheduled tasks on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Task Scheduler. Best match should come back with Task Scheduler. Go ahead and open that up. And if we make this full screen here and go underneath the task scheduler library on the right side, you should see a list of all the tasks over here. If there's a task you want to delete, you just would right click on it and select the delete option. Do you want to delete this task? Select yes, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.